So, what is a Torch Inductor? Torch Inductor is the default compiler backend for PyTorch 2.x. This is the current version 2.x, whatever it is, of PyTorch, the latest ones. It's a graph-level compiler that lowers high-level Python operations into efficient machine code. So Torch Inductor, efficient machine code, targeting CPU and GPU backends. It works in conjunction with Torch Dynamo, which captures and transforms PyTorch eager mode code into a static graph. So eager mode is executing it line by line. So it converts eager mode into a static computation graph. Why was it created? Traditional PyTorch is eager mode, meaning each operation runs immediately. While flexible, it's harder to optimize for performance. Torch Inductor allows ahead-of-time optimizations, enabling kernel fusion, combining operations to reduce memory traffic. So for example, if you have A plus B times C, you would first get B and C into memory, multiply them, get them back, and then A and the product send into memory, and then add them, and then get them back. So instead of sending this data back and forward, we can fuse kernels, so we can fuse multiplication and addition, and then we can send data just once, do the multiplication and addition for the whole data A, B, and C, and then return just once. Layout optimization, choosing memory layouts that fit the hardware, loop transformations, target-specific code generation. How does it work? Capture. A Torch Dynamo traces a function and captures a static representation of the PyTorch computation graph. So it traces function and captures static representation of the computation graph. Graph lowering. The graph is passed to Torch Inductor, which performs pattern matching, operator fusion, IR, I don't know what this IR generation is, IR generation. Code generation for CPU, it emits C++ Triton code with vectorization. For GPU, it uses Triton to emit custom GPU kernels. This is the coding language Triton. Execution. The compiled code is cached and ran just like regular PyTorch code. So we have some example usage, importing Torch, Torch NN, Torch Dynamo. From Torch Dynamo, import optimize. Class, my model inherits from NN module, and we have some forward that would just be x sine plus x cosine. Then we instantiate this model and wrap model with Torch Dynamo plus Torch Inductor. So optimized model, it's gonna be optimize and say inductor and then pass in the model. So X is Torch, so they just invoke this here. And then you can call optimized model. Here, optimize inductor enables Torch Inductor to compile the function for optimized execution. Benefits. Speedups of 2x to 5x are common on inference workloads. Native support for GPU via Triton. Maintains full PyTorch compatibility, supports dynamic shapes and complex models. Transformers, CNNs. Here we have a diagram, so your PyTorch model, so then it goes into Torch Dynamo, which captures eager PyTorch code, so eager code is line by line, function by function, and it creates a static graph representation, fx graph, Torch fx, and then splits forward and backward passes, and then it has this lower level primitive operations, so it keeps splitting into lower level, and loop level target specific IR, I don't know what IR is. So this will either generate Triton code or C++ code, and then it will generate optimized GPU kernels or optimized CPU binaries, which will result in a fast model execution. So I will leave this link to to all of this material below, so you can self-study this if you want.